Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Ah, teka lang, nalulunod ako. God bless. Yan lang.
Happy birthday, Aisel. Enjoy your special day. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Aisel. Mag-ingat ka palagi. More birthday to come. Love you. Sino bang may birthday ngayon? Happy Aisel's Day. Happy birthday, Aisel. Stay pretty. Ingat ka palagi. Mahal na mahal kita kahit sobrang ingay at OA mo. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Aisel.
Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, Ate! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate!
Happy birthday, Trisha. Yun lang, walang masasabi.
Birthday, Bes, sana, mag first move na yung crush mo na tayong dalawa lang nakakalam. Joke! Yung, pero di ko alam kung crush mo pa rin, pero sana. Hopeful.
Happy birthday, Trisha. I'm wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come in your life. And of course, all the blessings na mapunta sa'yo. And always na magpakatatag and be healthy. Of course, yun lang. Love you.
Happy birthday, Trisha. Yun nung na matagal na tayong magkaibigan. Simula nung grade 4. Ikaw yung unang naging kaibigan ko doon. And dati, ikaw yung lagi kong kasama, ikaw lagi yung ka-video call ko. And thank you dahil naging kaibigan kita. Palagi tayo nag-aaway, pero nagkakabati din tayo. Yun lang. Thank you. Happy birthday, Trisha.
Happy birthday, Aisel. Happy 13th birthday from Jael. Sana, wish ko lang sa'yo sana. Lumaki kang malaki. Na malaki pa kay Earl. And thank you dahil you've been always there for me. Sa times na naibig ko kay, pati kay Hera. Thank you dahil you've been part of my life. Special kang tao sa akin. And ayun, sana magkaroon ka ng healthy living. Kumain ng gulay para mapahaba ng buhay. Good luck sa mga good luck sa mga pangarap mo. I know that you deserve it and makakamit mo yan kasi ikaw na yan. Yun lang. And happy birthday. I know I'm lucky to have you. Love ko na yun. And I'm proud of you kasi kahit maraming challenges ang dumaan this year, you survived it. And yun lang. Kung sabihin, ngayon kahit nagka-away-away tayo dati is that's alright. I'm sorry dahil ako naman talaga yung mali nun. And ano, happy birthday, teenager ka na. Huwag ka na sanang bata-bata. Bagay sa'yo. Ganda ka mo naman. Yun, ang ganda mo. Yun. Sana magkaroon na kayo ng picture nila, bro. Sabihin ko. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi, be, happy birthday. Ay, matanggal. Charis. So, yan, happy birthday, Trisha. Thank you sa masayang kulitan, masayang champaru. Sana, humaba pa buhay mo. Natawa ako. Tas, di ko rin alam. Basta, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Kasi, yun lang. Happy birthday, be.
Happy birthday, be. Always remember na nandito lang ako for you pag may kailangan ka lang kahit lagi mo kong inaaway. Laway ako. Yun, ginawa ko tong message ko. I mean, video greetings ko for you kasi gusto kong makita yung mukha ko dun sa sa mga video greetings na ipapakita sa'yo. And sana ma-appreciate mo yung ginagawa ko for you, and I'm trying my best to be good for you. English yan. Ganun. Gusto ko lang na maging happy ka ngayong araw na to kasi it's your day, girl. So, dapat masaya ka. So, no birthday blues. Yun lang. Happy birthday, be. Di ko na papabain pa. Hintayin mo na lang.
Happy birthday, Aisel. Enjoy your very special day. I wish you all the best. Andito lang ako palagi para sa'yo. Thank you for making us happy. Stay strong, kind, and beautiful, and cute. And yun lang, mag-ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Happiest birthday sa pinakamaganda kong pamangkin. So, and stay healthy and stay pretty always. Lagi mong tandaan na love ka ni Tita Kat. Wish you all the best. Love you.
Hi Trisha, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo and sana maging matatag ka pa habang lumalaki ka, and sana mas maging malalim pa yung pananampalataya mo kay God. Sana maging close pa kayo ni God, and sana maging matatag ka sa paglaki mo. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit.
Hello, I don't know when you're watching this video, and good morning. Plus, I would like to say that happy birthday, and we are wishing you all the best and the success in your entire life. Plus, here's another thing that we do love you a lot.